We're here today with another one of our Berman Beauty rock stars, and she's going to share a few things with you. What procedure did you have done?
I had a tummy tuck done with muscle repair and some lipo to my flanks area.
Wow. Can you, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking? Because you look
sure.
fantastic.
No problem. I'm 56, almost turning 57.
Shut up. No way. Are you really?
Yes.
Holy crow, you hear it here. Wow, you look amazing.
Well, thank you.
How long ago did you have your tummy tuck done?
I had it last Thursday, the 29th.
Could you tell us, how was your experience with Dr. Berman?
Oh, it was awesome. From the original consultation to the surgery, the surgical procedure center was very nice, very accommodating. It was easy in, easy out. My husband was able to, come in and pick me up and take me home. So it was all good.
And I want to ask you how quickly you bounced back, but you look unbelievable. How was your experience with the pain or anything like that?
So I had a little bit of discomfort later in the day on Thursday, as to be expected. But pretty much just took a couple of the prescription pain pills, with some Tylenol, a little bit on Thursday and again on Friday, and by Saturday I was done with the prescription pain medication and back to pretty much being myself.
Are you glad you had the procedure done?
Yes, I am.
Wow, you really radiate from it, so we can tell you are definitely a Berman Beauty rock star.
Well, thank you.
What would you tell someone that was on the fence about having this procedure done?
I would tell them to definitely do it, and don't wait as long as I did to do it.
And how was your experience, your confidence level with Dr. Berman?
Oh, 100% confidence level. Very satisfied. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. There you have it. You've got another Berman Beauty rock star that looks fantastic. 5 days out? 4 days out?
Between 4 to 5.
4 to 5 days out after a tummy tuck with lipo, and she looks amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.